Learn the process of earning over $500 just by touching your screen, like this one here. Sounds too good to be true? Or is it just another money-making video that you already get bored of? Get ready to follow step-by-step instructions that I've laid out for you, as well as bonus tips to maximize your earnings. This site is called... Let's have a rundown of what I've got for you in this video. 1. Check out the website that I'm going to reveal in a bit. 2. Sign up and get started on this platform. 3. Get bonuses that will increase your earning potential. 4. Find out how you get paid with this platform. Now let's get started. The first step is to check out this website called enrollapp.com. It's a legit spot where you can jump in for free and start racking up some cash just by giving your 2 cents on some easy poll questions. Big companies are all over it, trying to get the scoop on what people like you think about their upcoming stuff before it even goes live. With this website, you can take these tests wherever, whenever, whether you're commuting, waiting for your food at the restaurant, or winding down at home. You can cash in just by answering some easy questions. Over 600,000 tests have already been aced, and users from all corners of the globe are cashing in daily. You'll pocket those rewards straight into your PayPal account. Before you jump into the fun, there's a quick little test you gotta take. Just hit that button and get ready to answer some questions. It's super short and gives you the lowdown on what to expect. You just need to go through a few tasks, like picking your dream travel spot, then share how you feel about it. After that, just tell them a bit about yourself, such as gender, age, education level, and income. That's pretty much the drill around here. You don't need any special skills for this site. They're basically asking for your opinions on consumer surveys to understand demographics and behaviors. They use this info to make websites and products that people will actually find useful. But before we get into the second step, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes. And if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. In step 2, I'll show you how you can start earning on this site. All you gotta do is sign up and fill in your info. It's super easy and takes less than 5 minutes. Just pop in your email, set up a password, do the CAPTCHA, and you're set to earn your first $5. Once you're in, this is what your dashboard will look like. Over in the top left corner, we've got your Achievements tab. On this tab, you'll find all your financials on the left side, followed by your missions, badges, and points. So, do you see this cow icon? The more polls you complete each day, the closer it moves towards the moon. It's like a little game. Just check out a poll question, make your choice, and submit your answer. You'll instantly see the results based on what everyone else on the platform chose. Next, hit continue and tackle the next question just like before. Oh, and if you're not feeling it, there's an option up here to skip the question for now. But it's better off to answer every poll you can to bump up your earnings. As you answer more questions, you'll move from here to here and get yourself some bonus cash. Plus, the more polls you take, the better the site gets at matching you with projects that fit your vibe. So keep clicking those buttons and answering those easy questions as much as you want. Seriously, there's no limit, so go wild with those polls. In our third step, I'm going to give you some bonuses on how to maximize your earnings. If you're just getting started, you'll want to keep this up for at least 30 days straight, spending around 5 minutes each day or even more answering those poll questions. Check out these badges you can rack up by doing this daily. The more badges you collect, the more points and bonus cash you'll earn on this site. Another bonus, head over to the top left and hit Profile Settings. Then go to Test Preferences in the top right corner. Make sure all your profile info is up to date. That way, you'll be set to maximize your earnings. Also, remember, all your responses to these questions are totally private. Scroll down a bit and you'll need to pick the device you're using for the tests. Another tip is select all these options for devices because the more you indicate, the more polls you'll get. Choose this option to get tests as soon as they're available, so you're always first in line. That boosts your chances of earning more cash. Don't forget to tick this box for email notifications about new tests. And hey, consider validating your phone number for SMS notifications by clicking here. Once you're set up, hit save and you're good to go. Keep answering those poll questions, racking up points and badges. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. In the fourth and final step, I'll guide you on how to withdraw your earnings into cash that's going to be sitting pretty in your PayPal account. You can cash out as little as $1 on this platform. Enroll app pays out at the end of each month, and they only use PayPal for payments. This platform has an automatic payout cycle that will include you in the payroll once you have $1 in your account. If you're feeling hesitant about signing up with Enroll app, here's a list of some of the redeeming qualities this platform has. 1. It is a legitimate usability testing platform. 2. It is free to enroll. 3. Welcomes members from all around the world. 4. It does not require a webcam or video recorder. 5. Enroll app has an easy-to-use website. 6. You will get paid monthly as long as you have $1 in your account. 7. Payments sent via PayPal. 8. It has low minimum cash out requirement. 9. There's no need for any special skills. If you missed anything, feel free to rewatch this video until you've got it all down. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit subscribe too? That way, you'll be the first to know about all the latest tips, tricks, and opportunities to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!